This is the primary school. Oh, there's our house there. You see the house, you see the church, and I'm with the parish assistant who's going to walk into Baringa with me, and you see the children hanging around outside the classrooms. And this one is the secondary school, and across from the secondary school, all on the mission compound, these are the teachers' houses. This is the parish assistant, and he's going with his bicycle to Baringa. And this is the English teacher's sister.
My name is Honorine.
Honorine. Ah. What is your baby called?
My baby, his name is Delivrance.
Delivrance?
Delivrance.
Ah, very good. Okay, and she's wearing a beautiful dress. Okay, we are going to Baringa. Okay, see you later.
Okay.
Ole kangai. Oleka, leka. Okay, continue. This is where the chief of Baringa lives, and we're just arriving, so we might meet them here in a minute. Okay, that's good. There are no mobile phones here, but instead this lady is communicating with Kinshasa, which is about 1,000 miles away, and this is the way they can communicate, especially when they want to exchange money and send money. And she's the chief's daughter, and her name is Perit. Okay. Simba. Okay. Okay, this is Baringa. This is the town centre. This is as good as it gets. And you see here a few market stalls. And this used to be a thriving place, but as the years have gone on, it's deteriorated a little bit. And we're on our way to the hospital. Okay. Press again. Okay, this is the hospital in Baringa, and the Jesuit Refugee Service did a lot of work here in the past, but since they've left, it's all gone downhill again a little bit. Okay. Bokoki kopesa mama nangai mbote. Kopesa mbote boye.
Alawana?
Ako mona. Tokina ko laki sa yena. Okay. Here we are now, we're in the maternity room in the hospital, And this lady, Chantal, Mama Chantal has a beautiful baby. Here's the baby. This little baby's got his eyes directly on his mother. So this is the only lady who's here at the moment. And very good. Okay. We're in a field of, at the hospital, a field of peanuts. And these men are picking peanuts. Okay. So, toko mo na yango. This is how they grow. And laki sangayawa. So ki ezali na ezali awa. So the peanuts grow ezali awa. So they pick them, they are under the ground. And that's why peanuts are also known as ground nuts. So peanuts that we eat, I'll show inside one. This one here. This is like the monkey nut. The peanuts are inside that. Inside, you see, inside, there is the peanuts inside. So peanuts, they grow like this. Here I am now with Oscar Bekili's father, who was a nurse in the hospital for many years and is very well known here. Oscar is in Angola, where he works as an accountant now. Okay, very good. Video. Okay. This is the River Maringa, and it is a tributary of the. It joins on to. Where does it join? The Lopori. Lopori at Basankusu, and then it continues to join.
Befale.
Huh?
Befale.
Oh. And then it continues to the River Congo. Okay, thank you. Boilinga. Bate. These ladies are coming from their vegetable garden. Ozana nini? Fanga. They've got manioc.
Manioc.
Nakelo kumbo.
Biso tuti. Tara. Akenda ki koyamba yo. Bonga akwina nzezo. Ye Francis. Ye Francis.
Malamu.
Yo Francis.
Ndoina ngai.
Ndoina yo. Gata sapato. Francis. Francis.
Lokola ngai.
Yo Francis. Na Francis. Na Angra Francis.
Tokomona.
Tokomona.